Hey, Jonah Fox here, and really quick, I wanted to let you know that I just released a new class teaching a very different approach to learning the harmonica that's more simple, more effective, and ultimately more fun. It's called the Harp Flow Method, and this is how I personally learned to play the harmonica, and it's how I've been teaching my private students for years, and now I'm finally ready to share it with you. In this class, I share 3 secrets that will transform your approach to learning the harmonica. First, you will learn the danger of practicing harmonica and what to do instead. Next, I go over why you should only focus on 2 activities and tune out all other distractions. Finally, I share the weird way to play that guarantees you will learn up to 500% faster. I'd love for you to check out this free class. I've put my heart and soul into it for a long time, and I know that it could be a game changer for you in your harmonica practice. You can take the class by clicking the link to register down below in the description. It's totally free. Enjoy learning the harp flow method, and I'll see you back here next week. Peace.